can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Fourth time's the charm, Bitcoin tagged $68,000 in an attempt to break 217-day downtrend. Multiple on-chain metrics show a surge in activity as Bitcoin rallies to $68,000, possibly signaling the price momentum is sustainable. Bitcoin risks exit pump on 3 months the DXY as BTC price hit $68,000. Bitcoin price reached the highest level since late July, but US dollar strength is starting to undermine Bitcoin's bull confidence. Welcome guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 10% over the last 1 week. Bitcoin is up 16% over the last 1 month, and the last 1 year has seen Bitcoin rally up by 136%. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has tagged the $68,000 level. Will the fourth time be the charm? Bitcoin has tagged $8,000 level 4 different times in 2024. Those 4 different times we got rejected since the top came in. Right now, Bitcoin is undergoing a 9 months downtrend. The $68,000 level is going to be the line in the sand. If you can rally above it, Bitcoin would have a signal that it's ready to maybe pump to new all-time highs. On this channel, I've been kind of bearish on Bitcoin's price going up. The 200-day moving average for Bitcoin has been the line in the sand. We're expecting Bitcoin to rally back to that 200-day moving average. Currently, Bitcoin's 200-day moving average sits at the $63,000 level. We saw Bitcoin over the last 1 month, over the last 6 weeks, go from $52,000, getting to as high as $68,000. Bitcoin has rallied up by 30% in the last 40 days. It's been a long time coming for Bitcoin. This cycle has been a very, very funny cycle. We've seen Bitcoin dump to as low as $15,500. Talks of a new bull market has been going around, but Bitcoin has faltered. Bitcoin has deceived a lot of market participants. The last 2 years has seen us rally up by 370%. That's good to see, but Bitcoin has only got into as high as $73,000, and we have been ranging for 9 months here. Right now, some warning signs are popping up in the market. The YDX is pumping, the US dollar is pumping, and guys, anytime the US dollar is pumping, historically has not been good times for the cryptocurrency market. But something strange is happening. As Bitcoin is pumping, we are seeing the US dollar also pumping. Bitcoin gyrates around 11-week high. Data from CoinMarketCap Pro and TradingView shows that Bitcoin price upside resuming as bull eclipse the peak of leverage during fake out. Right now, I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin tap that $70,000 level. Right now, I'll not be shocked if the bulls can make one more push to the upside. The dollar surges make Bitcoin traders nervous. The dollar is going up. It's always troublesome time for Bitcoin. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin having a pullback. But in the last 24 hours, over 44,000 traders have been liquidated. In the last 24 hours, more than $121 million has been lost by those betting on the price direction of the cryptocurrency market. The single largest liquidation order happened on Binance. One trader lost $4.38 million betting on the price of Bitcoin. With returning back to the cryptocurrency market, expect to see many bullish news going around the market. STK launches Bitcoin and gold ETF, and the basement trend gain traction. The fall touts leverage exposure to Bitcoin and gold as investors brace for inflation and geopolitical strife. Fund issuer stocks, also known as STKD, has launched an exchange-traded fund ETF touting leverage exposure to Bitcoin and gold as investors embrace the so-called debasement trade ahead of the US state presidential election in November. Bitcoin dominance has been rising. Bitcoin dominance got to a new cycle high of 58.9% yesterday. Bitcoin dominance has been pumping, and you have been better off holding Bitcoin this whole cycle. The last 2 years has basically just seen Bitcoin dominance rally to higher values, going from as low as the 39% region where Bitcoin dominance was in September 2022. We've seen Bitcoin dominance get to as high as 58.9%. If it's 1% increase in Bitcoin dominance over the last 2 years, good times for Bitcoin, but I don't think that good times will last. I think we're seeing capital slowly flow into the altcoin market, and this is the final days of Bitcoin dominance going higher in the cryptocurrency market. Maybe for the next 1 month, maybe for the next 2 months. But one thing is sure, Trump pump is here. Bitcoin climbs to a 2.5 month high as Trump widens lead. Industry watchers are pointing to Bitcoin increasing correlation with the winning odds of former President Trump. Remember, in July, Trump was all over Bitcoin. Trump went to the Bitcoin conference, and that was the time he saw Bitcoin heading to the $70,000 level. Since then, we have been dumping to gobbling town, and as we get closer to the election, you are going to see a lot of speculation about why the price is going down or why the price is going up. Right now, the speculation is saying the price is going up because of Trump. But there's more good news in the cryptocurrency market. MicroStrategy shares soars over 1,500% since 2020, outperforming the S&P 500. MicroStrategy is up over 1,500% since 2020, while the S&P 500 index rose just above 111% during the same 4-year period. MicroStrategy has been known to be buying Bitcoins over the last 4 years. They have a lot of Bitcoin. Last week, we saw them adding more Bitcoin to their balance sheet. MicroStrategy is one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, they are winning. Right now, they are having a good time as their Bitcoin trade is paying off. Italy considers raising capital gains on Bitcoin to 42% from 26%. Italy plans to raise capital tax on Bitcoin. Italy plans to raise tax on Bitcoin capital gains to 42% and remove the 750 million euros minimum revenue requirement for digital service tax. Bitcoin profit taking near $74,000 peak as speculators sense Binance $500 million. Short-term Bitcoin holders waste no time in sending coins to exchanges for mass profit taking. Bitcoin speculators have initiated mass profit taking as BTC price gained the market. As BTC takes the market to a 3-month high, data from onchain analytics platform Glassnode shows Bitcoin short-term holders cashing in on the price surge above $65,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is a pump towards $68,000 an early sign that we're going to be seeing a price reversal? Because right now, guys, a lot of people in the market are not trusting this pump. A lot of market participants are still skeptical. Either they are in cash or they are short Bitcoin. Over 90% of Bitcoin holders are now in profit. Are we going to see more holders get into profit? Or are we going to see Bitcoin turn back and head straight to gobbling town? Bitcoin's market cap sits at the $1.33 trillion level. Bitcoin has gone through all its retracement level. If we dump from now, from this key level, right now, we will not be shocked if Bitcoin dump from exactly where we are trading. Bitcoin got to its last retracement level around the $1.349 trillion level. That was the line in the sand. We talked about it in the previous video. Right now, Bitcoin has got in there. I will not be shocked if we see more volatility at this price region. In the coming days and the coming weeks, expect to see Bitcoin hanging in there, but expect to see the main action in the altcoin market. Are you ready? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Tell me your downside targets for Bitcoin and your upside targets for Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.